Hello everyone, we're going to do something different today. It's wintertime. It snuck up on us. Camper's not been winterized, everything's been drained, but you still have that little bit of moisture, a little bit of water in the line and such. It's been plugged in, so we'll show you how to winterize. This is a Pioneer Heartland. Got the code number here, right here, and we ended up purchasing this from Camping World. So let's get started. What you do is you go around and open all your faucets. That one we had a little bit of water drip out of it. Open the faucets up. What we'll do is in this camper, I had a package that was on here. They asked if we wanted it on. It's basically a winterizing package, and it makes it a lot easier to be able to get all the antifreeze through the lines and such, instead of having to manually do it on your own. So at this point, we'll see if we can't get these drawers to come out. Usually if I can't get it, I just break it. No, I'm kidding. I shouldn't have advertised that to everybody. What you do is you reach in here and find the suction line. There's a valve in here. I don't know if you can see that or not. There's a valve in here that's obviously closed during the summer months. You're going to open that valve when you obviously get the hose inside the antifreeze. This pops out. Opens you into the rest of the valve system and the heating, the hot water heater. These valves are obviously going to get turned to the closed position. This tank has already been drained, blown out. We can hand my usually takes around 2. We had a little extra last year, so I have a half one here. Rather have more antifreeze than that, obviously, due to things freezing and breaking throughout the winter. Put the hose all the way into the jug. And again, that's in closed position right now. What you do is you come back and turn on the water pump. Back here there's a switch. You can hear the water pump kick on. So at this point you put the hose in the jug. Go ahead and open this valve up, and you'll see the antifreeze start to circle through. You'll see it come out of the faucets. I like to switch it from one side to the next, get antifreeze in there good. And close them up. Now we know that it's good in through the faucet. It'll eventually work its way to the next faucet. Then you'll hear it come through the toilet. Run it through both for a while. I always close the valves. Want to get it up to the shower head. Easiest way is you can disconnect it also. Shake out all the water that's in there. We come outside, do the outside faucet. See how it's pink? Now we know we got good antifreeze through there. Back that away the way it's supposed to be. Close the valve on it. What it's doing is pressurizing the system. That's how you winterize your camper. Obviously, make sure everything's drained. You'll then disconnect your battery. Make sure everything's off, power's off, and obviously store it away. You can either, put it in a pole barn or somewhere if somebody else has a spot for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my videos. Have a good day.